In mobohubb, users are the people who have access to the platform, meaning anyone who logs in to perform actions inside the system. A user can be a field officer, a supervisor, an operations manager, or an administrator. Each user has a specific role and permissions. This means they only see what they need to see and can only perform the actions assigned to them. For example, a field employee can clock in and out, complete reports, scan checkpoints, and submit forms. A supervisor can review reports, monitor activity, and approve requests. An administrator can manage schedules, create forms, and control system settings. Why is this important? Because every action inside mobohubb is linked to a specific user. That gives you accountability, traceability, and better operational control. You always know who did what, when, and where. Using users correctly helps you improve security, reduce errors, and maintain compliance with your contracts.